Okay, guess what? We're going to make one of Alyssa Tyler's recipes. It's zucchini squash with little tomatoes, and a little bit of anchovy paste, and some capers. And it is good. Don't worry, I'll leave y'all her link down below, and you can go down there and also go to and like her page up, because she's got some good recipes I'm here to tell you. Anyway, everybody knows what frying zucchini squash looks like, so I only have barely a little bit of olive oil on it. So I will come back to you as soon as I finish frying the zucchini. That way y'all don't get bored. Oh, and one other thing, I want to thank everybody because I hit 1,000 subscriptions last night. That's 1K. That's what I was asking for. So thank you, everybody. Thank you. And we'll get back to you in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. And zucchini is fried, are fried. I don't know what's the proper English for that. Anyway, we're getting ready for the tomatoes, capers, and all that good stuff. Now, it's still got a little bit of olive oil in there. So we're going to go ahead and put these tomatoes in there. And like she says, you can use any, there goes my small tomatoes. They're all gone. I was having a problem keeping them though. I promise you I have a problem keeping them, because I eat them. I eat them like crazy. And what we're going to do, and I might not be going exactly how she did. I'm going to add, she said she added about 2 tablespoons of capers. So I'm going to add about the same. Maybe a little bit more. I don't know. I like it. And we're going to add some anchovy paste. Now we're making the sauce for this. And it already smells so good. When she posted hers, she got thousands of views. Because Jada saw it and liked it. So I guess she got the recipe from Jada also. I'm going to add some oregano. And some people like to shake it, and I like to just crunch it between my fingers and get the oils out and everything. Then we're going to cut loose with this red pepper flakes. I didn't quite do it in the order she did it, but hey, it'll be okay. It came out good. Also, if you go over to don't forget, it's the Alyssa Tyler. You can see, 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 you can see She's also given away a paleo cookbook for the Instant Pot. And she's a really nice lady. And now she says, let's do the lemon. And it brings out the flavor. And I can tell you now, it does smell good. And I don't know if anybody's getting for plagiarism, because I copied her recipe. I couldn't find any small zucchini though, but I guess any zucchini will work. So now we're going to turn the camera and we're going to plate this. Remember, these are the, this is the sauce. Hopefully I can get all my tomatoes in like she did. Get all those capers. I have a friend, I found out last night, doesn't like capers. But that's, I guess, you know, some people have different tastes. Now, let's zoom this in real close and show you. Isn't that pretty? And it's going to taste amazing, because everything she's got on her site tastes amazing. Trust me on that. You got to give this recipe. I mean, it was simple. It was quick. So I probably won't be posting again for a little while after I get through with these. Excuse me, these last videos, because I'm going in for eye surgery on my right eye. So I'll be taking off probably about a week or so. I don't know. Depends, maybe 2 weeks. It gets boring in here. So yeah, I was looking for that anchovy sauce and they had it sitting lengthwise. It was right in front of me. I was about to go crazy. I says, I know it's got to be here. But it reminded me, I was watching this other video where the girl, she scooped the inside, what do you call it, the cream filling on an Oreo out. And she filled it up with toothpaste. And she put the dark top, the chocolate top one, back on. And then she grabbed her one and started eating it and went into her boyfriend and says, here, you want an Oreo? And he took it. He took a big bite. Look on his face was priceless. Anyway, y'all stay safe and be sure, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. You can comment if you want to. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. But be sure and subscribe. I appreciate subscribers. Like I say, I hit 1,000 and I think this morning I was at 1,002 subscribers, which is awesome. You know, that's what I want. So y'all stay safe and have a great day, and we'll see you again soon.